September 4th, 2023, episode 83. I'm going to refrain from giving an in-depth update on the status of my heat illness compounded exertional injury. I will say that the symptoms have apparently stabilized, and the best thing that could possibly happen for my condition now is for it to have, the onset of it to have occurred at the end of the summer and not the beginning, because what made it extremely dangerous, deadly, and unbearable in a compounding, even exponentially compounding way was the extreme temperatures and the effects on blood pressure. So what I'm taking this moment to commemorate right now is the gratitude that I feel for even the slightest drop in at least nighttime temperatures below 85 degrees. Because in my experience and based on my research, anything above that makes it difficult, if not impossible, to sleep normally. And while sleep is possible, it's so distorted and interrupted and tortured that it just to me, I'm gonna be totally honest, and I'm gonna go deeper than I went even last year when I said surviving at this time of year about almost to the day is when I did an episode called, I believe it was surviving 3 months of heat, or waking up from a 3-month fever dream, surviving heat madness or something like that. And now, yeah, this year had even higher record temperatures.